Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and a new plan with me. I'm Gabby from Gabriela Elena Designs, and this week's plan with me, I'm actually using a kit I found while cleaning the office. I actually wasn't sure what to use for this week as a kit since we're in that weird stage where it's like after Christmas, but since I live in SoCal, we don't have like winter, so using a winter kit kind of made no sense. So I decided to use this one from Thumbprints Co. Now I will say Thumbprints Co. isn't a shop anymore. She actually closed down her shop a few years ago actually. So sorry if this kit doesn't exist anymore. But like I said, I was looking through all of my stickers and I was trying to use a kit that I had forgotten about, and this one was it. So this week I was actually prepping to do new releases for Friday and $2 Tuesday for next week, plus finishing up some artwork for new kits. I've actually been liking this planner, by the way. I have realized that I really like the simple layout of this. Basically, I sometimes in like the bigger planners, I would get lost sometimes in trying to fill up the space most of the time. So I think I'm liking this planner because I've been adding just like the top things that I really need to do that day, at least for work. And then I've been writing in like my notebook exactly like what those things are. But I can like break it down further in that, and then I can like scratch those off. And then that way, like, my notebook is like super messy, but I still have like the basics down in a smaller planner. But anyway, I've also been trying to stick to like a stricter schedule for designing. That way my kits are designed ahead of time and I'm not scrambling to add things like Thursday night. I think the new formats of the kits kind of gave me a boost in trying to design things though. If you haven't seen those new kits, make sure you go check out the new releases video. I believe that was my last video. But anyway, this week I've actually been trying to get really focused, and I did finish up the St. Patrick's Day artwork and I added that to the shop, so there is a new St. Patrick's Day exclusive kit. And then plus I've been trying to see what I can design for next week, which by the way has already been designed. So I have at least 2 kits going into the shop. If there is a third one, that's just because I was able to finish the third one I was working on. If not, it'll most likely be added to the following week. So that way I'm like still ahead of kits, but at the same time I have enough time to design more ahead of schedule, and hopefully also bring down like processing times, because I'm not trying to do 2 things at once. That way I know that things have been designed, and I can actually work on orders a little bit faster. Of course, this varies by the amount of orders I get, so sometimes I will be able to process things within like 3 to 5 like days or business days. Other times it goes like to a full like 2 weeks. Also depends on like if you ordered a bunch of things with like foils or customs or whatever. But I've been trying to get that back down, so hopefully this way I can actually design and process orders a little bit faster. I'm not technically behind on my schedule, so I think this will work. I'm not really sure. We will see. By the way, if you are looking at what I'm using for my planner in terms of washi, this washi is from the Pink Room Co. It actually kind of fits exactly along the top of where the date headers are, because it's like a skinnier washi. And I actually turned my planner upside down because it was easier to add it to my planner that way. So if you are having trouble adding washi, don't be afraid to turn your planner upside down, or get closer to where it is. But anyway, Pink Room Co. is actually a shop. I will link her shop down in the comments below, by the way, if you want to grab some washi. I don't think these are in the shop right now, but she has similar washi if you want skinny washi like this. This one's just hearts, and I used like a pink and a navy since it kind of like matched the kit I was using. Anyhow, I kind of went simple for this layout. I decided that if I put like full boxes and kind of like staggered them like either from the right or the left side, it was actually easier to do like a checklist type of sort. Like I said, I'm really liking this layout, even though it's not usually what I like, because I did try an Erin Condren horizontal like years ago, and I think it's the way that one was like too long that I didn't like. But this one's actually like the perfect size for a horizontal, at least for me, because I still have enough room to write like a full line on. I don't have to like stack in like what I'm writing, but for the most part I'm really liking the size of this planner. At the same time, I do want a vertical, a small, if you guys know of any like vertical planners that are around like this size, this one is about like a 5x7-ish, because I am still looking for a vertical planner, because sometimes I do like my vertical layouts. But that is it for this week, and all I have to do is write things in. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more videos. I'm definitely on the roll for putting up new videos this year, even if they do go up later than I need them to. But maybe I'll be able to catch up on these soon too, so that way they go up on time. Fingers crossed for myself. First I need to get the shop schedule working before I'm able to do this, but links will be down below for shops used and this planner as well if you want one of these. There is a 10% off code that you're welcome to use to shop with me at GabrielaElenaDesigns.com. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram for close-up looks at this planner. But that is all for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.